Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are more than 15 stocks including KSOLs, India, Coforge, etc. Those have announced the split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. KSOLs India Limited, KSOLs, share is trading around rupees 1033. Company announced a board meeting on 20th December 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is splitting the stock. Bharat Global Developers Limited. Current market price rupees 1184. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10 and announced bonus in the ratio 8:10. Bonus 8:10 means if you have 100 shares of Bharat Global Developers, you will get 80 shares as bonus. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 8th January 2024. Mohit Industries Limited, Mohit Int. Current market price rupees 38. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 1000 shares of Mohit Industries, your 1000 shares convert to 10,000 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Mohit Industries. Shardul Securities Limited. Current market price rupees 411. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Shardul Securities. VTM Limited. Current market price rupees 149. Company announced a board meeting on 18th December 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend. Thinking Pictures Limited. Current market price rupees 1.99. Company announced a board meeting on 16th December 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing bonus. TT Limited. Current market price rupees 164. Company announced a board meeting on 16th December 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is splitting the stock. Coforge Limited, Coforge. Current market price rupees 9,301. Company announced a board meeting on 22nd January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Shanti Educational Initiatives Limited. Current market price rupees 189. Company announced a board meeting on 14th December 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring bonus. Bharat Seeds Limited. Current market price rupees 232. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Bharat Seeds, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 200 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 20th December 2024. IPOs. Yash High Voltage Limited. Face value rupees 5 per share. Price band rupees 138 to 146. Lot size 1000 shares. IPO opens on 12th December and closes on 16th December. Base of allotment 17th December. Initiation of funds 18th December. Credit of shares to demat account 18th December 2024. Listing date of Yash High Voltage Limited is fixed as 19th December 2024. Incorporated in June 2002, Yash High Voltage Limited specializes in the manufacturing and distributing a wide range of transformer bushings. The company's product portfolio includes oil impregnated paper condenser bushings, resin impregnated paper and resin impregnated synthetic condenser bushings, high voltage and high current bushings, OIP wall bushings, and oil to oil bushings. The company also provides repair, retrofitting, and replacement services for old bushings. The company's manufacturing unit is situated in Vadodara, Gujarat and has an annual production capacity of 7,000 bushings. This capacity is divided into 3,700 units of oil immersed paper bushings, 3,000 units of resin impregnated paper bushings, etc. This is a balance sheet of Yash High Voltage Limited for the last 3 years. All the figures are in lakhs. Inventurous Knowledge Solutions Limited. Face value rupees 1 per share. Price band rupees 1,265 to 1,329. Lot size 11 shares. IPO opens on 12th December and closes on 16th December 2024. Base of allotment 17th December, initiation of funds 18th December, credit of shares to demat account 18th December, listing date 19th December 2024. Shareholding pre-issue is 69.73 and shareholding post-issue is 60.61%. Incorporated in 2006, Inventurous Knowledge Solution Limited (IKS Health) provides services to healthcare enterprises such as handling administrative coursework. The company helps doctors and other healthcare providers by handling their paperwork and administrative tasks. IKS Health offers services such as clinical support, medical documentation management, virtual medical scribing, and more. The company is a healthcare technology company that helps make it easier and faster for patients to get the care they need, while reducing the administrative burden of healthcare providers. Inventurous Knowledge Solution Limited offers a platform that enables healthcare enterprises in outpatient and inpatient care. This is the balance sheet of Inventurous Knowledge Solutions for the last 3 years. All the amounts are in crores. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.